Now today's topic is very small topic, that is vehicle on here, the convex overbridge. Okay, the new topic is introduced in our syllabus, the vehicle on convex overbridge. First of all, whenever we are going or traveling along here the convex bridge, okay, this is nothing but the one vehicle which is traveling or going along this convex bridge. We know that whenever we consider any surface, that surface consisting of any object, if we consider this is the box, okay, what is happening here, the box exert here the downward direction weight. Okay, weight is nothing but W is equal to M into G, mass into gravity. Okay, and this is nothing but the weight is equal, gives here the normal reaction, means to every action there is a not equal and opposite reaction according to the Newton's third law. Okay, now this is nothing but the weight and this is nothing but the normal reaction given by the surface on the block. Okay, same as it is the condition here whenever any vehicle is going or traveling along the curved surface. Okay, this is weight mg acting in downward direction, normal reaction in upward direction. Both directions are opposite, hence one having here the negative sign. Otherwise we can say that the equation should containing here the negative sign. Okay, the first thing after that one, this is nothing but we consider here the C for the center along which the vehicle is going or traveling along the curved surface. We know that there is one of the force present, that is a centripetal force, the force which is along the radius and directed towards the center of circle. This is a centripetal force. Okay, now what is happening here, the resultant force which is the centripetal force is here mg minus n. Mg is nothing but the weight minus normal reaction. But if the speed increases, okay, n goes on decreasing. N means what, this is a normal reaction. Okay, if we increase here the speed, okay, above the some certain limit, the n goes on decreasing. At a certain condition we consider that n is negligible. Okay, n नाही आहे असं आपण कन्सिडर करू. जर n प्रेझेंटच नाही आहे तर इक्वेशन कशा पद्धतीने फॉर्म होतो आहे आपला, द इक्वेशन शुड बी फॉर्म सच लाईक दिस वन. दिस इज mg which is equal to mv square upon r. mm should getting cancel. We get here this is nothing but v square is equal to r get shifted towards the numerator. V square is equal to r into g. Taking square root on both side, we get here v maximum square root of rg. This is nothing but the maximum speed of the vehicle going along the convex overbridge.